Kamusta mga ate, kuya, beshi? Si Chari po ito mula sa The Sun, Moon, Stars, PH Tarot. Ipapaalam ko lang po na ito po ay isang general read o pangkahalatang pagbabasa at maaring hindi lahat ay magtugma sa inyong sitwasyon. I-check din nyo ang inyong Moon, Rising at Venus sign. Baka doon mas tumugma ang read para sa inyo. At kung ang mensahe ay tama sa inyo, paki-like lang po at mag-subscribe kung hindi pa ninyo ito ginagawa. Okay, mag-umpisa na po tayo.
Hello po mga ate ko Beshis, kamusta na po kayo? Dito ulit ako si Shari para gumawa ng another reading, and this is for the sign of Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And of course, welcome po yung mga cross-watchers natin ni Cancer at yung mga bago po nating viewers. Tingnan po natin ngayon kung ano yung mensahe o energy na mababasa natin for Cancer. We have the Page of Cups. We have the Seven of Cups. The Four of Wands. The Seven of Wands. And the Eight of Cups. Bottom niya is the Queen of Swords. Okay, Cancer. Queen of Swords is an air sign. This is energy coming from a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Yung energy kasi nitong Queen of Swords na to is somewhat medyo cold, no? Medyo, ano kasi siya, yung ginagamit niya is all about the mind, yung kanyang pag-iisip, it's all about logic, more of yun kesa sa emotion, kesa sa yung kanyang puso o damdamin o yung kanyang pakiramdam. Iniisip niya kasi yung practical side ng pangyayari, kung ito ba ay merong dalang kabutihan para sa kanya o hindi. Masasaktan ba siya dito o hindi? Ito ba yung totoo o hindi? So, you might be dealing with this kind of person right now. And I think with the Nine of Wands, medyo pagod ka na eh. You're getting tired of dealing with this kind of person. Kung ba parang, kasi you're Cancer, no? You emotional ka, you're a water sign. And to be dealing with somebody na mas preferred na yung kanyang pag-iisip kesa yung kanyang puso, medyo, di ba parang nakakapagod intindihin. That's why with the energy of the Fool, this is energy coming from a Aries, you wanted to have that parang change o pagbabago, or you want to take that leap of faith na or take a risk with somebody else. No, with somebody else. With the person that you really meant to be. Yung Two of Cups, yung talagang soulmate mo. Yung person, dun mo gusto mag-take ng risk doon sa person na talagang soulmate mo. At hindi doon sa isang klaseng person na you're dealing right now. Now, because with the Page of Cups, there is this message of love na matatanggap ka. That you might receive or you might send, no? Take it as it resonates. And it's quite confusing. Medyo nako-confuse ka kasi marami kang pwedeng gawin pa o piliin o ibang option. Hindi lang ito. O hindi lang yung person na naiisip mo. Baka pwede mong sabihin na baka may iba pa na mas okay. Baka may mas makikita pa ako na mas magiging type ko pala. Which might be true. Kasi di ba, parang kung gawa parang nafe-feel mo with this person that you are not compatible. You wanted something na talagang in the future na magkaroon ng daan o magtungo ito sa isang magandang marriage. No? Magtungo kayo sa pagpapakasal. Maging kayo na panghabang buhay. Yun ang gusto mo eh. You wanted to choose somebody that would have the same goal as you, na somebody that would really like to get married, have a family, live happily ever after, yung mga ganun. Kaya sa ngayon, you are very protective of your heart, of your status, of what you feel. Hindi ka basta-basta nag-give in. I think you gotten to be more wiser. Mas naging matalino ka na. O very cautious ka lang. Maingat ka lang ngayon. And with the 8 of Cups kasi, you are wanting to go and find that person. Parang, I need to find that person. I need to find that love. That one cup. That love. That I am wanting so much. We have the 10 of Cups. The 5 of Cups. The King of Wands. The 9 of Cups. And the 4 of Cups. Puro cups siya, Cancer. So it's really all about love. Justice. Ang gusto mo kasi is magkaroon ng hustisya or magkaroon ng balanse yung relationship na to. Kasi justice is an energy coming from a Libra and the devil is an energy coming from a Capricorn. Kasi nga ang nangyayari is this is something na nakikita mo, this person that you're dealing now, yung air sign, is something that is toxic sa'yo. Toxic siya. Either may Capricorn siya sa kanyang chart, okay? Toxic talaga. O may Libra siya sa kanyang chart. Kaya, kung ba parang burden na, no? Pabigat na to. Pabigat na to sa'yo. Yung pakiramdam mo, bakit ba ako nagdadala nitong pakiramdam na to na mabigat? Ay, gusto ko na matapos to with the World card. And it will end, no? Ito na yung ending. Ending, and you will start a new cycle, a new beginning. Kasi kung ba parang ayaw mo na eh, give up ka na. Give up ka na sa toxic na relationship na to kasi yung hinihingi mo dun is balance sana, or yung if you are married, if you're married to this person, you find the relationship to be toxic and you're done, no? You're done and you wanted na magkaroon ng ending yung relationship nyo and magkaroon ka ng panibagong life, another life with another person. Hopefully with another person. Kaya nga itong message na to of love that you receive, all the while akala mo ito na yung kaligayahan mo. All the while you thought that this is your 10 of Cups. This is your happiness. But somehow nga, di ba, things are confusing to you. Hindi mo alam kung anong pipiliin, and it brought you frustration. It brought you regret, no? Regret ka na bakit ba ito pang napili ko? Bakit ba ito'y napili ko? Ang gusto ko lang naman is magkaroon ng stability yung relationship. Stability with a person that would truly be passionate to me and love me. With the King of Wands. This is an energy from a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Or meron siya nito sa kanyang chart. Kaya, you hindi mo masisisi kung bakit ka very protective. Because you just wanted to be happy. gusto mo ma-fulfill yung happiness mo. That's why, maybe if you find the relationship not to be fulfilling anymore, you're willing to walk away, gusto mo umalis, hanapin yung talagang isang pag-ibig na talagang totoo. And with the Four of Cups, ito yun di ba? Yung isang cup na yun. Ito siya. But somehow, hindi mo pa pinapansin kasi nakafocus ka pa dun sa nangyayari ngayon o yung nangyari dati. Kung ba hindi ka pa makaalis dun, hindi ka makaalis dun You cannot forget. Maybe that is this devil energy. Okay? Hindi ka makaalis. But it's really burdensome na siya. That's why you have to start focusing on this love. The love na binibigay sa'yo ni God as a new beginning. Okay? Kasi yung una, medyo magulo ka, naguguluhan ka o akala mo ito na pero hindi pala, nagkamali pa rin. Hindi pa rin naging okay kasi nagkaroon na nga ng regrets. Well, may second chance. And you're given this second chance. Yung nga lang, sa ngayon, hindi mo pa siya binibigyan ng attention. Maybe that's what you need to do as an advice. Now, ano pa yung pwede mo i-advise natin for Cancer? Love is, I commit to the practice of seeing the good in all things. So, tingnan mo rin kung ano yung kabutihan na nagagawa ng lahat ito. And then denial, I acknowledge my fear, but I replace it with the insight of awareness. So, don't be in denial. If there is something that you are feeling towards a person, then say it, be open and be honest. Blame, I accept responsibility for my well-being. Okay, wag tayo kung ba, yung pagsisisi kasi, o pagpipinpoint na sino may mali o ganyan. Lahat tayo mayroong part doon. I mean, one way or the other, kung bakit nagkaroon ng away, galit, paghihiwalay, pagtatampo, misunderstanding, etc. is because pareho kayong merong naging contribution doon. Hindi mangyayari yung gulo na yun kung isa lang. Pareho kayo. Meron kayong ginawa pareho. And that brought to that misunderstanding, to that separation, to that split, to that walking away. So don't blame. Huwag ka mag-pinpoint. Kasi meron ka ring pagkakamali. Okay? So, whatever that is, you should not be in denial of that. Accept mo na meron kang pagkakamali. And see that love sa lahat ng bagay. Kasi meron namang pagmamahal dun Kahit papano. There's goodness in it. We just need to look at it. Okay? So, I hope nakatulong ito sa Cancer. Maraming salamat sa pagsama mo sa akin. Sa susunod po muli, ingat ka and God bless.